Hey, welcome back to Terry's Model Rod Shop. Today we're going to sling some paint. I'm going to airbrush some paint on the interior of my GTO. And I'm going to mix up a custom color, which is half flat white and half gloss gray, and see what happens. So I've already shook it up. So I dump that in there. Dump the white in there. And then I want to put, because it's gloss, I want to fill it up all the way, because it's 1-to-1 with gloss paint, or close. Shake it up real good, and with, well, this looks like it's going to be 1-to-1 too. And shake it up real good. I got a paint shaker, but it's just as easy to do it this way. I just want to check to see the consistency of my paint. Stir it up here. It don't look like it's mixing together too good, does it?
You may need to put it in your shaker.
Can't, I ain't got a lid. Yep, need to thin it just a little bit.
Put your lid on your thinner so that's.
And I like to use testors airbrush thinner. Some people use lacquer thinner. Some people use mineral spirits, but me, I like testors enamel thinner, or no, airbrush thinner. And there's the color. I'm trying to do a light gray, but that's as good as I'm going to get, it looks like. I want a lighter gray than that, but I guess I shouldn't have put so much gray in it. And I'm using a Pache H airbrush with a number 5 tip. I got everything ready to go. My air compressor, my homemade paint booth. We'll have a video about that here later. Safety first, folks. Learned this lesson the hard way. I got tired of lacquer thinner in my skin all the time, so I got my air compressor set at 10 pounds. Yep, it's spraying good. So I'll start with these pieces right here. Pieces of the motor and inside the firewall, interior. I know it looks like I'm putting it on pretty thick, but I'm really not with an airbrush. And then other parts are over here. Pulleys for my motor, which these were all sealed with automotive sealer. Dashboard. And then I'll do this and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Okay, and here is the stuff after it's been painted. It's sitting in my dehydrator to flash out for a couple days, and then we'll see what it looks like, and we'll see you next time. We'll sling some paint on the body.